Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Zoho Books to manage your business finances, today's guide is a must-watch. I'll show you exactly how to record a bill in Zoho Books, step by step, so your purchase invoices are always accurate and up to date. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this 2025 guide will walk you through everything you need, no guesswork required. First, open your web browser and head to the Zoho Books website. Click Sign In, then enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, find and click Purchases. This is the hub for all purchase-related tasks. Bills, vendors, expenses, everything lives here. Inside the Purchases section, select Bills. Here you'll see any existing bills. To add a new one, look for the Create a Bill button, usually at the top right of the page, and click it. This opens a fresh bill entry form. Fill out the bill form. Now enter the key details: vendor's name, bill number, bill date, and due date, total amount. Double check every field. Accuracy is critical. Mistakes here can cause serious reporting issues later. Review and save before you wrap up. Carefully review all the details you've entered. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save. Congratulations, you've officially recorded a bill in Zoho Books. And that's it. Recording a bill in Zoho Books is that simple. By following these steps, you'll keep your purchase records accurate and your finances organized all year long. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, foolproof business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.